Hi, welcome to my channel. Today let's build Legos. While you watch this speed build, I'll tell you some facts of Lego. Lego is headquartered in Denmark, and the word Lego is derived from Danish phrase "legot", which means play well. Lego started building toy bricks in 1949. All the Legos are based on Lego learning systems, which means when you assemble the Legos with your kids, they can learn something from it. There are various levels of Lego based on age group. There is a Lego for everybody. Once, investing in Lego bricks were thought to be more valuable than investing in gold. Lego Technics team has built a life-size Bugatti Chiron which actually moves, and they have built many such cars including Ferraris and top brands. There are various world records for Lego builds. In February 2015, Lego was world's most powerful brand. I got my first Lego set when I was in Standard 4. A dear family friend from US got it for me. And the same family friend got me another set when I was in Standard 7. Now the Legos are available in India and on Amazon. The link is in the description if you want to buy one for yourself or for your kids. The Lego that I'm assembling is a gift to my son from my dear friend Shilpa. If you like my video, please hit that like button, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. While you continue to watch this video, tell me in the comment section down below what you like the most about the Lego toys. Till next time, keep building, have fun. Thanks for watching.